Hello, all. Welcome to the Fast API series on my YouTube. And I have decided that I will be creating a series of videos on Fast API and will upload to this playlist. So, since I have decided that I will learn and revise the topics of Fast API that I have learned so far, and also create notes and videos on it for myself to revise it when I need. And since I'm already creating resources for myself, and if that resources can be helpful to someone like you as well, then why not uploading it to social media platform like YouTube? So I decided to upload it, and let's begin on it. First of all, I will go with introduction to FastAPI. And FastAPI is a modern, high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python, and it was developed by Sebastian Ramirez in 2018. And the main goal of creating FastAPI was to ensure speed, efficiency, and developer productivity. Sebastian Ramirez wanted the developers like us to experience the to get the best experience of creating APIs in Python. So he came up with FastAPI, and FastAPI is built on Starlet. Starlet is basically a framework of ASGI, which is ideal for building async services in Python, and it is also built on Pydantic, which supports validation and all. So FastAPI claims that it matches the performance of Node.js or Go with Python's ease of use, and the core feature of FastAPI includes automatic validation and serialization, and this is powered by Pydantic models. We don't need to do anything manual to do validation and serialization. It will be handled by Pydantic models. We just need to create Pydantic model and use them wherever needed. And the next thing is it supports interactive documentation, and it provides Swagger docs and Redoc for documentation of APIs, and these are generated automatically. And the third thing is asynchronous support. Since it is built on ASCI, it supports async and await natively. And other things are dependency injection and security tools like OAuth2, JWT, and all, which we will discuss in upcoming videos. And it also supports WebSocket, and since it is built on ASGI with Uvicorn server, it makes it fast, scalable, and perfect for modern APIs. So I have been talking about ASGI again and again in this video. So what is ASGI basically? So look, what happens is when a client makes a request to web server, mm, then there is an interface between web server and web application, and the interface can be either WSGI, web server gateway interface, or ASGI, async server gateway interface. So the WSGI is considered to be older standard, and they are used by frameworks like Flask, and the classic Django used WSGI in its older versions. And it is only synchronous, that is only one request at a time. So does this mean the whole application will only handle one request at a time? No. There can be multiple workers that, and each worker can work on different requests at a time, but one worker cannot work concurrently on multiple requests at a time. So that is the huge difference between WSGI and ASGI. On the other hand, ASGI uses event loop to manage tasks, and one worker can juggle between multiple requests. If a request is in await situation, like it is waiting for some output to come, or it is waiting for some IO operation to happen, then in that scenario the worker will jump to another task and perform that as well, and come back to the previous one after the await has been completed. So this is the main difference between ASGI and WSGI. And since FastAPI uses Uvicorn along with ASGI, it is considered to be a synchronous, supported, and fast one. And the other thing is FastAPI leverages ASGI with Uvicorn, and Django uses WSGI